Greenworks 21-inch lawnmower. Let me show you how to start it and let's get to mowing. In order to start, you got to hold down the left or right hand side of the lawnmower and then you hit power. You hold down power till it starts and you let go of power, but you have to keep the handle back. That keeps the motor running. If you have a catastrophic issue or if a cat jumps out in front of you or something, you can just run it over. No, I mean, you can just let go of the handle and the engine shuts off. This will show you this is left-hand side battery, right-hand side battery, and it tells you the charge capacity of each one. Turbo button you can hold down and let go and it keeps it going. Turbo spins the cutting blades faster, so if you have thicker grass or thicker debris you're going through, it'll help cut through that faster and easier. Even though this engine is very powerful, you probably don't need it, but hitting the turbo button does help. And then obviously the speeds for self-propulsion. When you want to propel, you just hold one of these left or right hand sides down and it pushes the lawnmower forward. The turtle is slow, rabbit is fast, pretty self-explanatory. So let's start this up and see what it looks like. Hold back here, hold down here, let go of power. You're now running, and when you want to go, you just hit this button here and you're cutting grass. Now if it's too slow for you, you can just kick this over, hold it down again, and you're rocking. Almost too fast. So let's put it in the middle. That's about right. And you're cutting. And this is pretty thick grass right now, and it's mowing through it with no problem. I'm obviously not doing a good job. I'm just kind of mowing through grass, but letting go of the handle, it shuts off very easily. You can see it cut through that grass, no problem. And this is in a higher setting. You can go even lower. This is on setting 4. You can go to 1 and all the way up to 7 for overall height of how far you want your grass. Beautiful. Just shoots it out the side. Love it. If you see something coming up you don't want to hit, just let go and it shuts off very fast. To save you battery life, you can push this normally like any other lawnmower. You do not have to have the automatic self-propulsion mode going. And when you want to get it done double time, put it onto rabbit mode and go for it. Holy crap. This is great. So that light in the front will help you when you're at nighttime doing yard maintenance when the sun is low and you can see what you're doing. Control around sensitive areas. You don't have to worry about going too fast. When you put it on rabbit mode, it's quite nice. I had full bars, I had 2 bars left, and I did this entire backyard. All cut, all clean. Front yard done and sides down over here as well. All on the one 4-amp-hour battery. You also can buy 2 4-amp-hour batteries and put them in both sides and have even more power. And that was running it at full rabbit mode the entire time, constantly using self-propulsion, constantly mowing, and it still has 2 bars left, which is awesome. So I can confirm this charger definitely charges the 2-amp-hour battery in 30 minutes and charges the 4-amp-hour battery in an hour. And the 4-amp-hour battery will run this lawnmower the entire backyard and the front yard just on the one 4-amp-hour battery. So if you have the 2-amp-hour battery in there like it is right now and the 4-amp-hour battery, you'll be good to go. It is fantastic. It's not super quiet, so you know it's running. You don't have to worry about safety hazards there, but it's not loud enough to where you can't have a conversation with the person right next to you and even across the patio. Gets the job done, cuts through grass very cleanly. It's not like it's balking down. It's going through some of the thickest grass. You can see here, this is not short grass at all right now, and I did that on purpose, and it's cutting through it very nicely. Rabbit mode may be a little bit too fast for the average, but if you have a job to get done fast, it'll do it, and the lawn still gets cut. It's not like you're missing the grass, and it's not like you're having a weird look to your cut grass either. So the Greenworks 80-volt, 21-inch lawnmower and the other models are gonna be 2 thumbs up. Go check.